Andrea De Sica, grandson of legendary filmmaker Vittorio De Sica, received the Cinema del Presente 2026 award at the Shorts International Film Festival in Trieste. During a public masterclass and an interview with InTrieste, the director reflected on the challenges of growing up with such an iconic surname, saying that while it was difficult at 18, at 44 he has found his voice.
I'm super excited to be in this wonderful city because I was saying to Maurizio Di Rienzo, the director, that for a director being invited in these kind of environments which are far from my home are really inspiring, even to think something in the future. I'm here because they're giving me this prize, Cinema del Presente. I'm so honored and to do a masterclass in which we will see clips from all my work and I hope to comment it well. I just fit Gli occhi degli altri went out in March, so you will see it on television on platforms from September, and now I'm planning to work on a limited TV series.
What do you like about Trieste? Is this your first time here?
I like the idea that it's a very cultural and elegant place, and so you can taste it, you can feel it, like walking around the city.
It's completely different from Rome, right?
Totally the opposite.